Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox something which is totally not related to video game, which is this Beats Pill Plus speaker. So I got this one from Best Buy today. I saw it on their website this morning, then I decided to pick it up. I was looking to get this one couple years ago, but the price was way too high at that time. So I just decided to wait, then I'm totally forget about it. But this morning I saw the price actually drop a lot already, so I was thinking why not. So now let's look around the box. So the front we see the speaker, how it looks like, and the top. So I pick the color black. I mean all of my electronic devices are actually in black. Also the most important reason is this color is actually cheaper than the other color, so I was thinking why not just save some money. Now let's just look at the back. So in the back we see the feature of this speaker. So they have a wireless Bluetooth, built-in microphone, 12-hour battery life, also charge out. So you can actually use this as like a portable battery, and a power adapter and a lighting cable include. So it's like in here. So now let's just open to see what the inside looks like. Okay, now let's remove the plastic. So I think I can just open from here. I just need to cut a little bit. Yep. So last time I bought a Beats product was like 3 years ago. Then I just stopped buying those kind of stuff. Now let's roughly remove the plastic. And how can we open it? That's going to be an interesting question. Do I need to remove this? Oh, so this is actually a sleeve. So after I remove the sleeve, this box inside, and I'm pretty sure we just open like this. So this is the top, and here it's the Beats Pill Plus. Okay, let's take this and let's look at the accessory first. So this is what the accessory looks like. So let's take everything out. So first is probably the lighting cable they are talking about. So it's a USB, and the other side should be, yep, like those iPhone charger. And what else we have here? That's it. So nothing. And here, what the hell is this? Okay, so this adapter, pretty weird package. So this is pretty much useless. So here's the adapter. We see a Beats logo here. I think some original one they actually included like a pouch, but this one they do not include it anymore. It seems like this. Any stuff? No, that's it. So yeah, that's all the accessory. Now let's just look into the speaker and what's going on here. Okay, so on top it says charge me up before you turn me on. Okay, and let's remove it, and here's a button, and oh, there's something here. Let's check it. I guess it's probably like the menu. So let's still have the speaker. It's 3 different color. And what is this? So it's just a quick menu, I guess. Yep. And important safety information. Something I will never read. Okay, that's for the paper. Now let's finally just check the speaker. So let's still need to remove this. Okay, can't remove this. It's actually kind of heavy. Yeah, I don't know. Huh. Oh, like this. Okay. So this is what it looks like. The top. So here's a power button. And I think here you probably just the volume. And in the back, oh, let's remove this. Okay. So here, So I guess this is where you charge the speaker, and I'm pretty sure here should be the USB. Why is it so hard to open? Yep. So here's a USB. Oh, it's like you can open just like this. Okay. So USB and audio. Okay. So that's pretty much it. So this Beats Pill Plus. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing in the future.